Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. So today's going to be completely different. I've never done one of these. Oh yeah, I don't think so anyway. So here we got a few of the boys out in the garage. Jason needs a new rear tire on the back of his bike. So we're going to pop the tire off, pop the wheel off. He'll take it down, get it dropped off to the tire place, and which we've already done. And Jason will go back and pick it up later. But we've got a few modifications we want to do before we pick that tire back up. So the boys are out there right now. They're actually starting on it. Jason's in there getting a bird stuck out of his exhaust, and that's blocking the exhaust. So we've got to get that fixed. So I'll take this out there and show you what's going on. What are you doing?
Unblocking an exhaust.
Yeah, we blocked it.
Now I've blocked it.
Everyone, the Turk, Mac. Kurt. This guy. How did that bird get up there?
I don't know. Look.
Oh, look at the feathers on the fucking thing. It's got feathers. That's its head. Trying to get the bird out. We'll come back to you when we get the bird out.
2,000 years later.
Ding.
You want a screwdriver?
Some time has passed and we still haven't got it out. Paul Calloway, who told us how easy it was to get the bird out, it's not that easy. In this bike, anyway. We don't swear on this channel.
Sorry.
Are you getting there?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not far off, but that's a lot worse than that I've seen Paul's. I'll try and get the actual thing of Paul's when he pulled his bird out. That's a mess. It's a mess. And we've still got to put the tyre on. And do a service on the red beast that you always see on the vlog. Let's see if the Turk's cleaned his bike at all. Oh, no. Who spends so much money on a front end that doesn't clean it? Holy shit, Namek.
You alright, mate?
See what happens when you're rich? You just don't care, you just, it's alright. I'll just replace it.
Yeah, I'll buy another set tomorrow.
Oh, a bit of the bird.
Oh, Greg could have pulled it out in one go. Look at the muscles on the man.
I paid him to say that. Come on, man, I've got to get the moment the bird comes out. Well, I can hear it. This is Dutcho City Council. Hey! See? The Turks always come in to claim glory. Oh, they did this to Cyprus too.
Hang on, where's the hammer?
Yay!
Thank you!
Yay! Look at that fucking bird.
Paul said it's only took 5 minutes.
That is quite clean. That's heaps better. Yeah. Quick 5-minute job, they say. So we just installed a crash bar. Jason's gone to get the new tyre fitted. So we'll install the crash bar on this side. Yes. Sweating. Next, put the tyre on and then do a service for old Jason. So, it's only been a couple of minutes. Put the guards, his crash bars back on, his side panels, his seat. I've just closed the roller door because I'm going to go inside and wait for Jason to come back. It's a bit loose actually. Tighten that one up for him. Not your normal video, but hey, thought I'd show you something we do behind the scenes before a big trip. This is all happening because we're going to do a snowy trip in 20th of March. We're leaving, heading from here all the way down to Lake Entrance in Victoria, and then heading Victoria up over the mountain, Omeo Highway I think it's called, onto Kosciuszko Highway, up around the top of the mountain Omeo, and then come back down into Thredbo and Jindabyne, stay at Jindabyne the next night, and then we'll head home but through Tumut and all that on the third day, and then head home. So yeah, these are in preparations for that. Yeah, my bike's all covered up. It's ready to go anyway, so that's all on this side. Nice little crash bars for him now, just in case. Like, you're better off having them. I think they look good too. I'll put the crossover pipe back on while Jason's out getting the tyre done, which I think he's just said it's going to be another hour and a half or something. So I'll go inside, have some lunch and wait for him to come back. Then we'll give it a service, the 3 oils, new oil filter. Might do a little bit of filming of that. And yeah, that's this week's vlog. So keep watching. Something stupid might happen. Always happens with us. Okay, it's only been like 4 hours, but we finally have the tyre back. Nice. Guess what? That's my side all done. Nothing to see here. Nothing at all. Guess what we're doing tomorrow? Tyre 2. I think we've got one more to do as well on Saturday. See, all the shit we do to prepare for a trip. Look, we only put Bel-Ray and Penrite into our bikes. Bel-Ray, can't go wrong. And that's the oil we put in all our bikes. Pair of the bolts, a little bit of anti-seize thread tape and that on them. Primary oil is back in, wherever the bottle is. Oh. Empty. Now we'll do the transmission. It's quite hard one-handed. Were they too big?
Beautiful white there.
Okay, so that's the air filter done. Nice and clean, re-oiled, cleaned out and then re-oiled, dried. All the oils are in. Everything's in. Sorry about the fan. It's pretty hot here today. It seems to be hot here. It's not so much hot, it's just muggy. We've had a fair bit of rain. Hence the reason no riding, hence the reason why I'm doing this video. Just so I can sort of keep the channel growing, because I'm now just over 700 subscribers. Thank you so much. Little Miss Hopi just got home from school. So thank you everyone for subscribing. I really appreciate it. This is not my normal content, but if you want to see more like this, hey, give me a shout out and say, yeah, I enjoy it. We did some stupid things. We try and have fun while we're doing it. Replace the tyre. We were going to do the front tyre on Jason's bike, but I told him he doesn't need to. I've still got heaps of tread on it. Like, you probably can't see that, but so the only thing I've got left to do now is check the fluids. I've checked all the bolts already. One thing I do check, I like to check these. So I check that once the actual tyre's off. I just run a tool over to make sure they're nice and tight, because God forbid you don't want that to come off. And I just run around with a couple of Allen keys, and I just check these. Check them, just make sure everything's still nice and tight. I've already checked the calipers. Calipers are good, and I do the same with the front. Just making sure there's nothing loose. Just, that's it. Look, is it correct? Is it right? Do I do it right? I don't know. But I've been doing my services now on my Harleys for years. Again, guys, not my normal content, but I do appreciate you staying to the end and watching. If you have, don't forget, give me a like, subscribe, leave a comment. It always helps with the algorithm, helps it get out there to more people. I appreciate it. Don't forget, keep the rubber side down, keep them throttles twisted, and I'll see you on the next one. Just got to check the brake fluid, top and bottom. So I'll do that and I'll be done. Thanks guys. Cheers.